Tech giant Xiaomi has announced the S10T robot vacuum cleaner with an 8000 Pascal suction. The new Xiaomi robot vacuum cleaner has multiple cleaning modes and powerful suction and mopping capability. The device also comes with Xiaomi's Anti-Tangle Technology that prevents particles from clogging it. The new robot vacuum cleaner is capable of cleaning 180 square meters of space using an LDS laser for its navigation. The gadget has multiple cleaning modes with up to 8000 Pascal suction power and mopping abilities. The company has added patented anti-tangle technology, so you don't need to unclog trapped hairs manually. Xiaomi has unveiled the robot vacuum S10T with up to 8000 Pascal of suction power. You can choose from various cleaning modes, with lower suction power and quieter cleans. The gadget has patented anti-tangle technology to help remove hair from your floor without clogging the device. The technology uses a comb-like structure to straighten trapped hairs, which are then cut by blunt tooth blades. The S10T offers mopping services with 3 water volume settings to suit individual choices. Its 5200 mAh battery allows it to clean up to 180 square meters on a single charge. Its 450 ml dustbin and 250 ml water tank help to fast-track the cleaning and mopping process. The robot is capable of overcoming obstacles up to 2 centimeters tall. It accurately maps the cleaning area and navigates using the LDS laser navigation. The map can be used to direct the robot to specific areas, and its quad-core chip implements the SLAM algorithm for efficient operations. The Xiaomi S10T robot vacuum cleaner can be remotely controlled via the Mi Home or Xiaomi Home app. With the app, you can schedule cleaning tasks for a future date and set no-go zones. You can now purchase the global version of the robot vacuum S10T for $350. What do you think of the new device from Xiaomi? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.